Welcome to G2E 2019, one of the largest exhibitions for the casino gaming industry. To be your strongest partner, DFI expands the industry from IPC provider to contract manufacturer. By leveraging diversified resources within Kista Banku Group, we're offering integrated supply chain in different aspects of products, including logic computing PCBA, robust displays of different sizes and shapes, cabinet fabrication, liquid paint spray, and automated assembling for maximized cost efficiency. Follow us to know what else we are showcasing to you this year.